If you start testosterone replacement therapy, do you have to stay on it for the rest of your life? The answer is no, but you may want to. Let's think first about the symptoms of low testosterone that you were experiencing prior to getting tested. Typically, it's low energy, poor erections or libido. Maybe you're struggling to put on muscle mass or lose weight. Maybe your cognitive function feels as though your heads are in the clouds. All of these symptoms of low testosterone are extremely common. So if you've had these symptoms of low testosterone, you've been diagnosed with low testosterone, and now you're supplementing your testosterone, you're starting to feel really good. Your energy is back, you've got better sleep, your ability to put on muscle and lose weight comes back, your cognitive function has been peaked. These are all because you have optimized your testosterone levels in your body. So you may want to continue supplementing testosterone. As you age, we slowly stop producing as much testosterone. If you were to stop taking testosterone, your levels you've now optimized may come back down to the original levels that even trigger you to consider if testosterone is right for you. If you start testosterone replacement therapy, I recommend looking at it as an investment in your long-term health. Testosterone really provides a protective layer, especially against age-related diseases and just overall quality of life.